When you're installing, you want some of these capabilities. One thing you will have to do if you're using the rack, make sure that you go into TAM if you want the embedded client, the embedded visualization for your rich client. Make sure that you go through TAM and you add, go down to your extensions, go down to your lifecycle visualization, and you can do the embedded version. If you want the standalone package still connected to Teamcenter, what you would do, there's an ability to, install Viz just running the setup on the local machine. Then you would come to TAM and make sure that you tell Teamcenter, you tell the rich client where it's installed at pretty much by selecting the visualization standalone. You can select both of them. Just when you're doing your custom setup, if you do this outside of, if you're doing the standalone setup, just make sure you select your appropriate license level and install all the components. Instead of install all the components to your hard drive. It's not too big of a program, but again, depending on which license level, don't go turning them all on because then you won't have a license and it just gives you a license error if you don't have those.